Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Voice. So, Voice is a decentralized Facebook on EOS blockchain. Recently, Coindesk published an article stating that Voice will not be launched on EOS network. And I will touch on Bitcoin as well as Bitcoin SV. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and bitrate.com as well. Library.tv, basically you can earn library token just by watching videos. If you are interested, you can click the link below. And in case you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out because you can earn basic attention token as well. So if you're interested, you can click the link below. So let's talk about Voice. So Voice is basically a decentralized Facebook, and they are going to launch the beta version on February 14 on the EOS testnet. And basically, Coindesk spreading out FUD. And EOS Go clarified that. So recent EOS FUD stating Voice will not launch on EOS, which is entirely not true. And the articles basically saying that Block 1 promised Voice would not run on EOS mainnet and would run on the EOS mainnet, and then they changed their mind. But and another interesting thing is let's see. So Coindesk published the article, right? And then Yahoo Finance just copy whatever Coindesk said. Coindesk said that Block 1 will not launch on EOS. I mean, do they really clarify if this is true before they spreading all this not true statement? So in case you're new to the crypto ecosystem, FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So this is not true, and they're planning on launching on February 14 on the EOS testnet. And once the software goes out of beta, the social network will move on the EOS mainnet. Because Block 1 bought about 3.3 million EOS RAM back in May, and they already stating the intent on building on the top of the ecosystem. So it makes perfect sense that they're going to leverage on the existing EOS ecosystem to take advantage of that, right? And Brenda Palmer talked about that in the future, publishing to public chain will diversify moderation and strengthen censorship resistance. We let Coindesk know that their article was misleading, but they refused to add it. So let's fix journalism with your voice. So Voice is, as we said, is just like a decentralized Facebook, and you can publish something on there. So that's true. I mean, but the thing is, Voice require KYC. So at this time, I'm not going to do Voice any beta testing. Let me know if you are doing the Voice beta testing. Please comment below if you are doing the beta testing. But it go through the KYC, and I think we give out too much personal data already, so I will pass on that. So the next talk we're going to talk about Bitcoin. So this is a tweet from Nebraska Gunnar. So he tweeted about that basically we are here. So don't forget the halving coming up on May 12 in the next few months. So he's saying that we are here, and then we are going to, and then after the halving, there will be a potential dump. So if you go back to my previous video, I talked about that in my previous video as well. So back in November 2012, that was the first halving, and basically like 4 months before the halving is already have a big pump already. So 4 months before the halving, there's a big pump. Not 4 months, I think 3 months. So 3 months before the November halving, there's a big pump like from $5 all the way to $15, and then it dumps back again to around $7. So all this happened before the halving on November 28, 2012. So this is like pump ahead of the actual halving day. So the halving day, basically you buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So this is what happens. and the second halving, which was on July 9, 2016. And of course, they pump ahead of the halving, which is a month before the halving. They pump to the peak at the time. And of course, it's go back down again, it dumps again. And after the halving, it dumps back down again. So it could happen. So buy the rumors, sell the news. After the halving, we are going to dump back down again. If you look at this thing, they're saying that we are here right now. Probably will be sideways, pump and then dump again, and then we'll go sideways, and then after the halving, we'll be dumping all the way. And I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised at all. So he's talking about I'm not buying to my longs up at this level, which is around right now 8,008, 8,009, right? I'll either sell my remaining spot position above 9K or add to my longs at the low 8K level for a run above 9K. Yeah, why not, right? So let me know what you think about the Bitcoin halving. Will there be a pump before the halving, and then there will be a dump after the halving? So based on the last two halving, it's always have a big pump like a month or 3 months, a month ahead or 3 months ahead. There's a big pump, then there's a dump afterwards. So, but history may or may not repeat itself, but this is just a reference point. So please comment below what do you think about the Bitcoin direction of the Bitcoin before halving and after halving. And the next talk, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin SB. So Bitcoin SB dropped 40% as lawyer amid quick write has no private key. So this is a total scam, seriously. I mean, on day one, he's not a Satoshi, but he say he's a Satoshi. So you can see the Bitcoin SV pump from almost like $112 all the way to $326, and now it pumped back down to $250. And I anticipate this will dump again further. But the thing is, they can use Tether to buy back all this SV and pump again. You never know. But I think they're losing momentum. So this is just my thought, not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. But the thing is, if you are new to crypto, if you're new to the crypto, then you probably you're going right with the hype, right? So when there's a hype, you buy into the coin, then you got dumped by the coin. And then you lose money. So if you're new to the crypto world, this is just pump and dump game. So this is totally fake, right? Let me know what you think about Bitcoin SV. I would love to hear from you as well. Another thing I want to talk about is, let's see. So this is nothing to do with crypto, but this is a little bit disturbing news. You can see cancer patients living under Mumbai Bridge. So basically, they don't have money for accommodation before the procedure. And then maybe they need to rest a little bit before they travel again after the procedure. But the thing is, they don't have money to pay for accommodation. So basically, they're just living under a Mumbai Bridge before some type of operation or after some type of operation. And this woman is like hanging some kind of IV to the nose. I mean, this is a disgrace, basically. I mean, this is like, we are living in the 21st century, and yet we have something like this happening. The gap between the poor and the rich is getting wider and wider because of the last decade of the QE, the quantitative easing, the easy money policy. And if you are safer, leaving money in the bank, you're going to lose out. You're going to lose out. You're going to lose your purchasing power. And this is so disgraceful. Excuse me. So because of the power of the social media, this was going through in the social media. And right now, I think less than probably 24 hours, all this cancer patient already gone. They are no longer living under the bridge. And hopefully the government take care of them. And because of the power of the social media. And so there's nobody underneath the bridge. So this is insane. I mean, this is totally insane. We are living in the 21st century, and yet we have something like this happen in the world. And this is shameful. This is disgrace. to the basic human rights. But anyway, let me know what you think about the EOS FUD, the Voice FUD, as well as the direction of Bitcoin before halving and after halving. And what do you think about Bitcoin as we? Please comment below. That will help out my ranking in YouTube, and I would love to hear from you as well. And if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and bitchute.com as well. And if you haven't hit the notification bell, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. That some of them could be time sensitive, airdrop, token swap, or stake your token to earn additional reward. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, or stock market can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.